Standing deep.
Yeah, it got deep out here, huh? We came out here this morning to watch the SpaceX rocket take off, and we just got word that it's been canceled because of the weather. So I don't know if it's going to be rescheduled for tomorrow, hopefully, and we'll be back out here to do it. But since we're here, we're going to go check out this beach. And
spitting.
Yeah, kind of a bummer. This is a bucket list thing, and this would have been awesome, but hopefully we still get to see it within the next couple days.
We only drove an hour.
Yeah, it was just an hour, whatever. And luckily we have the National Parks Pass, otherwise it would have been 20 large to get in here. You choose the ramp over the stairs? Okay, let's do the ramp. Oh man, this is cool. I can hear the ocean. All these people came out to watch the rocket launch, and it didn't happen. You see all the pelicans?
This is my best day of my whole life.
Best day of your life? What'd you see?
A dolphin.
A dolphin?
Hey, I just saw this dolphin. This was over there.
Another one? Yeah.
No,
Good job. I need to go test out all my camera equipment at Boardwalk 13. Yeah. Oh, you stuck? You sinking in there? Oh, you want mommy? What are they? Oh, look at this.
Tiny pelicans. The baby pelicans.
Yeah. You trying to get the birdies? You ready, Norris? Yeah. Oh, here comes a big one. Here it comes. Whoa.
Here he comes! Here he comes! Go, go, go!
How about we just come back tomorrow? It's almost midnight.
You wanna camp out on the sand?
Do you love the beach? Do you like the beaches, or would you rather be at home sleeping?
I like the beach and going sleeping. You know why I like sleeping?
Why?
Because I like to feel my dreams.
How do you feel about the beach, babe?
Just love it.
Do you wish you were in Illinois in the snow right now?
What's snow? Snow more.
There's a bug nest. Daddy, guess what? There's a bug nest on Bio.
As for me, I'm loving this. This is awesome. It's probably like 70 right now. It's cooled off a little. And it's January 26th. And Yeah, we've never been in nice weather before for winter for more than a week at a time. And this is, I mean, this is beautiful. This water goes way out before it actually gets deep. This is my kind of thing. I love this. I don't like super hot, so this feels really good. This is such a beautiful day. All right, guys, fun's over. Let's load up. So Sarah had to stay home with Nora. Nora fell asleep. Sarah wasn't feeling good anyways, so she wasn't gonna come. So me and the twins came out to have another beach day. Got to take advantage of this while we can. We only have one more full day here, and it's supposed to be almost 80 tomorrow. We're gonna go watch a rocket launch in the morning, so we're excited. And here's the part of the beach where you can drive on, and it ends at all these poles, and then this end is all no driving.
We got up super early to come see another rocket launch because the last one got canceled, and we left at 5:37 in the morning. It was an hour drive. We're here. We got to the state park and we found out that they're not doing it again. So the bright side, we get to watch a beautiful sunrise, and that's really all I came here for. I do feel really bad for Dustin because he's been looking forward to this.
And they postponed it till tomorrow, which sounds like, oh, just come back tomorrow. Well, tomorrow's moving day and we can't.
What are your real thoughts?
Watching a sunrise with my wife is the ultimate.
People are going to think you're being sarcastic.
Just going to watch a sunrise, you know us.
Oh, yay!
All right, let's do this.
Do you want that wrapped around you?
There's the rocket way in the background. Because the waves make the foam. Laura. That one got him. We were down there. No, I got away. Just you. Did you get wet, Real? Just easy.
That's a little. That's my
All right. How do you guys feel about the rocket launch? Is that awesome?
Yeah, but I still got to watch it today.
Yeah. This one, oh man, I'm looking. We can see the rocket on the pad, and it's pretty close. This would be such an awesome spot. It would have been perfect.
I could.
Look at that. Beautiful.
As we were watching the sunrise at this specific spot, I couldn't help but feel so much peace. We've seen a handful of sunrises and they're all beautiful and definitely worth watching, and I'm always thankful when we get to see one, but this particular one was, there's almost no words to describe it. For me, it just seemed like incredibly beautiful, and it reminded me of what a little piece of heaven might be like. And the way that the clouds were and the sun coming up, we weren't even sure if we'd see the sun because at the time the clouds were really covering the spot where it would be at. But then out came this beam of light and the clouds were like glowing because of the sun, and the way that the water was coming in, the sound of the ocean, the birds flying by, I don't know, it just seems so beautiful. And those words don't even describe how it was, but I was so thankful for that moment with my family, and I hope that we get to experience that again. And I hope it's not just like, oh, it's a sunrise. I hope it gives me that feeling how I felt there that day. Come here, Rue. Oh, we're getting wet! Oh. That one got me. Got my shoe a little. My ankle felt it.
I didn't feel it. I didn't.
All right, everybody smile. We came here for the sunrise. Nothing else. Love it.
All right, we have 3 must-dos if you're staying in the Port Orange area. Now, a lot of must-sees and must-dos are, it seems like it's more for an attraction or something to go spend money or somewhere to eat or whatever, and those are great and definitely needed for some things. But this is a little bit more of not spending money and things that potentially could be overlooked, or you just not gonna spend the time to do this. So it is really pretty to go see a sunrise, but it's hard to wake up. So we strongly encourage you to push yourself to wake up if you're not a morning person like us and go watch a sunrise. We went, it was right next to Daytona, but it was a little less crowded, or really hardly anybody there. So it wasn't like a whole beach full of people, which is fine. It's tough around COVID, but it was nice that we were basically the only ones watching this sunrise. It was so pretty and worth getting up and getting the kids out the door. It's hard. So families, I know it's hard, but you won't regret it. The second one is going to watch a rocket launch. It's about an hour drive, and a lot of them have been really early in the morning. So that again is hard, especially if you're not a morning person. But even though we didn't get to see a rocket launch, you could go to the national park. If you have a national parks pass, it gets you in, obviously for free. Otherwise it's $20. the park is really pretty. It's pretty to drive through, it's pretty to walk around, and so we encourage you, if you're gonna go watch a rocket launch, just to spend some time at the national park and enjoy. And that's where I saw the most beautiful sunrise, and so the whole experience is really worth it. Hopefully you get to see a rocket launch and doesn't get canceled like it did for us. If you do, comment below and let us know how it is. Unfortunately, we tried multiple times and they all got canceled. So hopefully we can get back and enjoy a rocket launch soon. But the national park is worth it, a sunrise is worth it, and just a good beach day is worth it. So, and then our third is a sunset. So if you are staying in the Port Orange area, there's Daytona is really close, as well as Ponce Inlet. And this downtown little area is so incredibly cute. It's our favorite place so far. And eventually, if we settle down, we wouldn't mind living right there. It's just a cute little area. They have cute houses and the beach is really nice. It's clean. And there's a few things to do. We didn't spend any money, but we saw the lighthouse, which was really cool, as well as some sunsets right there, which in the morning we watch the sunrise, and then you go just over a little bit and you watch the sunset. And it doesn't set for us on the water like it would on the West Coast, but it kind of looks like it's setting on the water because there's an inlet right there that we were able to watch the sunset. So it was really pretty. There's some restaurants and then a really cool playground that the kids love to play at, and there's a park that you can walk all around right there. So it's really clean and it was not crowded at all. This was the middle of January, so we don't know if it would be different right now. Now we're in March. So hopefully it's not crowded. All right, guys, that's all we have for you today. Those were our must-sees and must-dos if you're staying in the Port Orange area. We know there's many other things to do and see that would be super fun, but those are the ones that we took away from it, and we hope that it's helpful and encourages you to get out and enjoy the beautiful earth that we have, and for free. If you found those helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and stay tuned for next week. We can't wait to share our next adventure with you. Blues Travelers out.